Alright, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you the best way on how you can see Reels history on Facebook. So it's very simple. First up, you just need to go to Facebook, and in Facebook what you need to do is just simply tap and press on your profile. Once you press on your profile, you just need to go to your settings, and you'll see the option of settings and privacy. Just simply press on that and then go to settings. And right over here, you just need to scroll down until you find the option of activity log. And right over here, you just need to press on that. And then on this section where it says archive and recycle bean, you'll see the option of activity history. So obviously I haven't watched anything on this account or any kind of reel, but if you see that, you just need to press on it and you'll see your reels history on your phone. So yeah, this is pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see